Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Roblox. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will search about the application of Roblox. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage and then you can click on clear cache. After that you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Roblox, and here on this page you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. And there is also another solution. You will enter to settings again. Here you will go to settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will go to these three dots as you see and you will click. After that you will click reset app preferences and then you will click reset, and after that you will go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox, and if you find updates here, then you can update your app to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.